How to reset a WordPress block theme isn't that difficult, but there aren't any great tutorials. And we have a platform called BYLT, BYLT.co, where we sell WordPress themes. And I get this question a lot. How do I reset the theme back to the default? So today I want to walk you through how to reset a WordPress block theme. If you don't know me, I'm Jeff Sarris. I'm co-founder of Spire, a tiny design and brand agency. We're most recognized for our work with The Minimalists, the minimalism documentary that was on Netflix for the longest time, Kidney Stone Diet, and a bunch of other stuff that we've done. I'm also half of whatismaven.com, where we do video for realtors, so everything is brand related, but this is specifically about WordPress block themes, and we have a platform called BYLT, BYLT.co, where we sell WordPress block theme. So I got this question again, how do I reset my theme back to the factory defaults? So today I want to walk you through exactly step-by-step how you can do that with the current version of WordPress. So let's dive right in. I'm going to be using our true theme as an example. This is the WordPress block theme that we created for The Minimalists at theminimalists.com. This is the design we've been using there since the very beginning, probably almost like 14 years now. What we're going to do is we're going to bust this basically, and then reset it. So first we go up to edit site. I'm just going to rearrange this header a little bit, make it clearly different than it currently is so it's easy to see. Okay, so now I hit save. It's going to update the header template part. That'll make sense in a minute. Down here I can do the same thing. I can change this font to be enormous, add a bunch of padding, just do things that you could always do to the theme. You can do whatever you want to these. They're completely wide open using the editor, which is really nice. What I'll do here is I'll make this 10%. I'm just busting the theme just so you can see it differently. Now let's go over to style, change all the text to monospace so this font will be different. Let's make the text size large. Let's go to headings. Also change that to monospace. Okay, so we can see now that everything is very different. We could delete sections, we could do so much more, but this is really just to give you an idea about how to reset things. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back here to edit site, and then we're on the blog homepage, but I wanna back out of this, back out of templates. So design is the root of everything. So what we need to do is go through all of the resets. So first things first, I am going to go to styles. This is the styles panel in the site editor. All you need to do if you wanna get these fonts and everything back to how they were is click up here, go to reset styles. Just like that, this is all back to how it was. I did manually change this one, so that we will fix in a moment. But what we did now is we reset the site-wide styles that we had changed previously. Okay, so now let's click here on the WordPress icon. We're back in design, we have styles. So pages, those are the content on your site. We're not resetting anything with regards to pages. What we're doing now is resetting all the styling that goes with your content. So we'll go right to templates, manage all templates. Now look right here. What I had done is I made a change. I changed the width of the teaser area on the bottom, and I changed the font size of the featured post at the top. So all you do is hit reset. That's it. That will be reset. Now we'll back out of manage templates, and back out one more time, and then we will just go to patterns. So in patterns, we have template parts. So manage all template parts. And remember, I edited the header template part. I rearranged, I moved everything around so it looked all funky. So all we need to do is hit reset. That's it. Now let's go back to the site itself, and there she is, looking exactly like it was out of the box. And that's it, how to reset a WordPress block theme. You just need to remember those three areas within the edit site panel. You want to reset your styles, you want to reset your page templates, and your template parts. Very simple. Everything goes back to the factory setting. If you want to check out this WordPress theme and the other minimal WordPress themes we've created, head on over to BYLT.co, that's BYLT.co, where you can find everything. If you're looking for a design partner in your business, in your startup, if you're a developer who needs to white label design, we do all of that with a simple monthly retainer package at spire.me. It's unlimited. We make it as simple as possible. But we've been building brands with partners, designing and building WordPress themes for the past 15 years. So if you want an experienced partner on your side, definitely go over there. And why shouldn't I mention this? If you happen to be a realtor, Looking for content for social media, you want to become the local expert in your market, head on over to whatismaven.com, where myself and Amara fly out to you in your market and film with you every third month. But you can find all the details for all of that there as well. If you can't tell, I like doing a lot of things. If you have any problems that you want to solve, any questions that you want me to tackle, whether it's design, development, branding, videography, anything, just let me know in the comments below. And I think that'll do it for this video. See you next time.